Guys, good morning guys. Nanapod mi the order guys. Tanaw na to guys ha. You see my order. Not me, my daughter. Another Shopee. Woohoo! Jeans. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I see that I see. So this is a beautiful day. Woohoo! So your Roma. So another, this one is ako adyan yung kuan diri kaning feed. Nakasamuka ni mga pinistihan ni oy. Sinsya mo guys kay ang Bisaya man gud guys. So it's the so this is I like the color jeans. So look at the size is same. Kasi pareha lang kami ng size ng anak ko. Pero gusto ko yung fit ng aking tiyan. I don't like luag-luag. This one is black. Black. It's black. So same size. All same size. This is a white. White. Oh, ay short. So short, same size. So I try this one. Why what happened? Dako na kayo na yung yatag na fit guys. So I tried I tried